Welcome to Sparkles of Arizona. While shopping at one of our favorite Asian gift stores, we came across this Sanrio Mystery Snack Box. It costs $29.99 plus tax. Today we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. There is an expiration date on the back that kind of lets you know how fresh the product is. Let's open it up. See what we got. Looks like we have a lot of little snacks in there. Cute little Hello Kitty box with all of Hello Kitty's friends. We have 2 little cookies with sprinkles. And we also got some matcha and yuzu flavored Kit Kats. We got some Pandoro cookies. And a Hello Kitty strawberry chewy candy package. Looks like marshmallow stuff. Then we have some grape flavored candy. Some Hello Kitty tea flavored wafer cookies. A Hello Kitty chocolate covered pie. Looks like a moon pie. Some little jelly gummy candies. Some Boruto Naruto biscuits. We got some more, looks like some more little jelly candies and a Hello Kitty Rumine soda. A sticky hand, which I'm assuming is a jelly and not a toy. Some sparkling melon soda. Some more of the little chewy jelly gummies. Looks like some lemon flavored cookies. And a Sakura sake flavored Kit Kat. Some Angry Panda potato chips, a little red panda. And looks like that is the end of the box. So, and then inside, just some more pictures of Hello Kitty and their friends. This cute little box. We're going to go ahead and count them back into the box to see how many treats we got all together. Like I said, the box was about $30 plus tax. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 snacks. So we got 22 snacks and a really cool collector's box if you're into Hello Kitty stuff. Like I said, there's